Introducing Ramco Super Plaster Eco, a next-gen, non-refractory plaster from Ramco Cements. Engineered for versatility and performance, it delivers excellent results on bricks, solid blocks, AAC blocks, hollow blocks, and other masonry units. Unlike traditional plasters that need 7 days of water curing, this product requires no curing at all, not even a single drop of water. It conserves water, reduces labor, and speeds up construction. With superior adhesion, higher pull-out strength, and lower rebound loss, it boosts efficiency and supports sustainable construction.